Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. The next problem of SQL is show the provinces that has more patient identified as male than female must only show full province name. So we have to display the full province name where the number of male patient is higher than the number of female patient. We have two tables, patient table and province names table. Coming to the problem solution, we will alias both the table for our convenience. Here we will first select the province name from the province names table. So we will alias province name as pr dot province name, and then we will count the number of male and number of female as sum of pa. We have gender in patient table, so sum of pa dot gender equals to male as male, sum of pa dot gender equals to female as female. So we are taking this information from the table patient as pa join province table as pr on pr dot province id is equals to pa dot province id. Because we have province id common in both the tables, so we are joining using province id. Okay, now we will group the data by the province name. So pr dot province name. Okay, we will execute this query. Okay, we have find the number of males and females with their province name. Now we have to display only the province name where number of male patient is higher than the number of female patient. So from this table we will select province name, select province name where number of male patient is greater than number of female patient. Yes, we have successfully solved the problem. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe the channel.